Welcome to Cook with Julie F. Today we're going to puree some frozen vegetables, and hold on, I know that doesn't sound very exciting, but we use just a couple things to make it a little more delicious and thick enough. I recently read from America's Test Kitchen about how bread can help thicken things, and I thought, what if we use a flavored bread to add in a little bit of extra kick? So I used my homemade caramelized onion bread. Yes, I have to say it's homemade. And a little bit of butter and some chicken stock to help make this puree as flavorful as possible. This is a super easy recipe. All you do is put the frozen vegetables in a little pan with some chicken stock. I use better than bouillon because I think it's delicious. And you put the bread in there. And honestly, I just have some frozen bread in my freezer that I'm going to use for these recipes. And I just took half of the piece and put it straight in there from the freezer. And it soaked up all of the chicken stock. And you'll see how much it helps thicken up the puree. I took the pot off the stove, and this is my very fancy pot holder, right? Okay, so it's pretty hot. It's pretty mushy. There's still liquid in there. The bread is very soft, which we need. And you can kind of tell, not sure if you can tell, that it's chicken broth going in there. But usually you'll want this to cool down a little bit so it doesn't hurt you. Don't learn. Learn from my mistakes, okay? Don't put too much liquid in there. Sometimes it will get you. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it is so far. Oh, it's still really hot. I'm a genius. I wouldn't say it's ready for puree yet because there are still little things. I don't think you can tell. There's still little things of carrots in there. The carrots are holding out. Okay. Oh, the onion bread. Oh, yeah. Let me see. Oh, it's ready. What do you think? Blop. Okay. And today I'm going to do something I haven't done yet. You're watching history. I'm going to put it in a mold, not a food mold, because I don't own any. Like I said, I don't want you to necessarily have to go out and buy some. It might be nice if you could, but there's also things that we have at our homes. I have pancake molds, and you'll see a couple of them. This one I used on Valentine's Day, if that tells you what it's gonna be. I also have ones that I used once to make the Millennium Falcon on top of a pie, which I thought was really interesting. And I'll tell you, America's Test Kitchen actually, oh, it was really hot. Oh, wow, that was so hot. America's Test Kitchen actually liked my Millennium Falcon on Instagram, and it made my day. This is a really good pureed consistency. I don't even think I'm going to have to refrigerate it. Why didn't I learn? In order to get the right consistency for someone to eat. Ooh, wow, this is so good. I hope that this mold turns out. I don't think it's going to turn out all the way because there was some spots without it. Okay, it turned out great. Okay, I'll show you a picture of what it looks like. It's a heart! I want to eat my heart out. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, that was awful. Eat your heart out. All right, now let me just double check that it's delicious. Oh, maybe I'll get an actual spoon. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so cute. It was a broken heart. I fixed it. Okay. See how smooth the puree that is? It's almost too thick. Could have even put a little more liquid in it, but also it holds its shape really nicely and it looks like a wonderful heart. The veggies are good. That little bit of butter is good. And the flavor from the onion bread. I mean, the sourdough was just as delicious, but You can also put salt and pepper in here as much as you like. I try not to add salt to my food. Successful. Recipe in the comments. Please subscribe if you want more puree recipes. Oh yeah. See you next time.